Hi everyone, we're out here today in the beautiful countryside at one of our water bottling customers. Here in this factory, they produce over 70 million bottles of spring water every year, distributing them across the country. Now, before the water touches a bottle, it needs to adhere to strict clarity and safety standards so it stays just as pure as it is in the spring. Here in this factory, they use a few different of our SPECTRUM pleated filters to ensure that the water is both crystal clear and bacteria free, safe for drinking without removing those good natural minerals from the spring. The filters that they use in this factory have a 226 end cap, which comes with a double O-ring and a bayonet fitted to ensure a perfect sanitary seal. And in this video, we're specifically going to see how those end caps lock into a sanitary grade housing. Now, let's go take a look inside and see how it all works. Before entering into the production area, all engineers carry out thorough hand washing procedures to maintain strict hygiene standards within the plant. The housing is then safely depressurized. The pressure release valve is opened, residual pressure is relieved, and the system is drained, ensuring maintenance can be performed under controlled conditions. Once isolated, the lid of the sanitary housing is removed, revealing SPECTRUM Premier Pleat filter cartridges fitted with 226 bayonet end caps. Each cartridge features a double O-ring seal and secure bayonet connection, locating firmly into the base of the housing. This design prevents bypass and ensures the filters remain securely locked in place under operating pressure. The used cartridge is rotated to disengage the 226 fitting and carefully withdrawn from the housing, clearly showing how the bayonet lugs secure into position. The new replacement cartridge is introduced with its protective sleeve still in place, preventing direct contact and reducing any risk of cross-contamination. The 226 end cap is located in the base of the housing and twisted into position, locking securely into place. This process is repeated for the remaining cartridges, ensuring a complete new set of filters is installed. Once complete, the lid is refitted and the housing is returned to service. The system is pressurized and prepared for operation. With filtration in place, treated water now flows through the system and into the bottling process. The bottle production begins with plastic preforms, which are heated and prepared for the blow molding, as we can see here. The heated preforms are then formed into fully shaped bottles. The bottles move to the filling line, where they are filled with filtered water, and the bottles then pass through the capping machine, where caps are applied and securely sealed. Following capping, each bottle passes through an inspection scanner to verify seal integrity and ensure quality standards are met. Approved bottles continue along the conveyor for a final processing. Labels are applied before the finished bottles enter the packing machine, where they are shrink wrapped into set quantities ready for distribution.